Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video, and today's video gonna be a bit different because today I'm gonna be featuring a really great, cool graph app, like making graphs and visual representations, and this gonna be for everyone, mathematician, physics people, CS people, data analyst, or anyone who knows how to manipulate with data and who knows how to to generate graphs from data. So this gonna be really fun because this graph app, or what should I say, this visualization app has included some different and really great to use features. Like, this is not a direct approach of making a graph through Excel sheet or something like that, because it's way different and it's way more better and way more sensible. So without any further ado, let me show you the app. So this is our today's app. Basically, this is the website of the app, not the app in actual, but this is the website of the app, and the app is called Graphica from Simago. I think I am pronouncing it right, whatever. And as I have said, a new way to explore, visually communicate, and make sense of data. And their interface is great. Don't believe me? Download it yourself, and you will know what I am talking about. Okay, and it is completely free. First of all, it is completely free. But if you need even more features, they are working on pro version upgrade. But the free version of the app is so much fun to use. Like, great, incredible capabilities they have. So here you can see the data. Okay, like the visualization of the data, and first and foremost thing is no code is required. Obviously, you don't require any code and all. Like, you don't have to type in code like in Google Colab or some app like that. So here you can clearly see that first you have to import the single downside of it is you have to import data from a CSV or XLS or something like that. You can't manually input data. So this is something you should keep in mind. Rather than that, you can see how it works and all. Okay, so after importing the data, you will get you have to generate a view, and then you will get those ranks, and then you can just like create all of those sections, create, like, keep pick and data and keep it in y-axis, keep it in x-axis, whatever you want to do. Like, in general, whatever in general you want to do. Yeah, x-axis time, y-axis something else, or x-axis years and y-axis sales, whatever you want to generate, you can do that, and you can basically something like that you can generate. So, as you can see, there are plenty of difficult data that is generated here. Okay, so this is another thing, and this is the life expectancy year of people is like, with respect of the country. Where is India? I don't know. I can say India, whatever, somewhere maybe. I don't know. Oh, those are Asian countries. So you can see it here. So you can literally can do this in your app also. So here is India. India is so big. Life expectancy is 67.2 years. GDP per capita 5903, and population is also here. So quite good graphical representation, I would say. And you can create those yourself as well. So keeping that in mind, try it out yourself and let me know if you like it or not. I'm not showing you the app yourself, like the actual app, because I haven't mastered the app yet, but it's gonna make my life easier, I know. So I will keep using it. And Rupak sir, if you are watching it, you're gonna like it for sure. So please use it, download it, use it, and let me know if you like it or not. And if you know about some of the great apps like this, or with a great website, or open sources, codes, designs, anything, please let me know about all of them in the description. Not in the description, in the comments as well, so I can feature them in my future videos. And rather than that, if you like my videos, like if you like my contents, the contents I am generating, please do subscribe to my channel. I'm still not 100 subscribers strong, so please. So that's it. Bye for now.